Hey, what's up you guys? Back with another tutorial. Actually, I did a video a while back about this screen recorder and how to set it up. So if you haven't seen that video, watch that first, show you how to set it up. But I recently updated to the new iOS 12 and it seems that Apple has turned off the audio again. In fact, I was recording this like 2 or 3 times and didn't have any audio on the playback. I would freaking hate it if I had recorded something super important. Anyways, let me show you guys how to turn that back on with the new update. It's really simple. Check it out. You just swipe up, you press, see where today's recording, that record beeping, you press and hold that. Once you press and hold that, go down to where it says microphone on. If it's not on, turn it on, and now you're good to go. So that's it for now. If you guys have any other questions, if you're having more problems with it, I will do my research and I will come back and give you the right information. Leave me a comment or question below in the bottom, and I'll see you guys in the next video.